before you need to make a dua, what you need to do to praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What He command you, what He command me. Pray 5 times a day. Is it difficult for us to pray 5 times a day? What He said, what He commanded us in the Quran, to look after your parents. Is it difficult for you and me to look after our older parents? What He commanded us in the Quran, be good to your elders, be good to your children, be good to your brothers, be good to your sisters. Is it difficult for you and me to follow it? What He commanded us, be good with your neighbors, be good with your non-Muslims, adopt the akhlaq, the manners, what Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam taught us in his sunnah. Is it difficult for us to learn it?